In our daily life, we always want to find the shortcuts. But how many shortcuts you know about Excel? To select our data, we may simply use our mouse to click and drag. However, this may be not the best way to do it. If we use the shortcut Ctrl A, we may do it in a second. To change the font height to bold, we may click the bold button. In addition to this, we may also use the shortcut Ctrl B. If we want to make some copies, we may click the copy button. But a quicker way may be use the shortcut Ctrl C. To fill down the data, we may click the Fill Down button. But a quicker way may be use the shortcut Ctrl D. Ctrl E is unassigned, so you may assign and use it by yourself. To search for something in Excel, we may click the Find button. But the quicker way may be use the shortcut Ctrl F. And here we may input anything that we want. For example, Canada. If we click Find Next button, we may find it one by one. If we want to find all the data of Canada, we may click Find All button. Here we find all the data of Canada. If we click the cell reference, we may go there directly and quickly. If we want to go to somewhere in Excel, here we may click Go To button. But the quicker way may be use the shortcut Ctrl G. For example, if we want to go to the cell A700, we may click OK button. We go there directly and quickly. To replace some data, we may click the Replace button. The quicker way may be use the shortcut Ctrl H. Here we may input the data that we want to find. For example, Canada. And here input the data that we want to replace. And we click Find Next button. Here we find our data. If I click Replace button, I can do it one by one. If I want to replace all the data, I can simply click Replace All button. Here we replace all the data. To change the font height to italic, we may click Italic button. In addition to this, we may also use the shortcut Ctrl I. Ctrl J is also unassigned in Excel. To insert a hyperlink, here we may click Insert Menu button and click Link button. In addition to this, we may also use the shortcut Ctrl K. Here we may have different options. For example, if we want to add a hyperlink to Canada, and here we input a web address and click OK button. Here we have a hyperlink. When we click, the websites open automatically. To convert a range to table, we may click Insert Menu button and click Table button. And we click OK button. Here we got our table. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl L. Ctrl M is also unassigned in Excel. To create new workbook, we may click File Menu button and click New button. Here we may select a blank workbook. And here we got our new workbook. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl N. Here we got our new workbook. If we repeat this, we may quickly get our new workbook. To open existing files, we may click File Menu button and click Open button. But the quickest way may be using the shortcut Ctrl O. To print a file, we may click File button and click Print button. And we click Print. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl P. To analyze our data, we may use the shortcut Ctrl Q. Here we may have different options. When we click, it applies automatically. To fill our data to right, we click Fill button and click Right button. Here we fill our data to right. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl R. Here we do it in a second. To save our file manually, we may click the Save button and our file is saved. We may also use the shortcut Ctrl S and our file saved in a second. To open Create Table dialog box, we may use the shortcut Ctrl T and we click OK button. Here we got our table. To change the font type to underline, we may click Underline button, but the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-U. To paste our value to different cells, we may click the Paste button. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-V. To close current workbook, we may click File menu button and click Close button. The current workbook is closed. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-W. To cut our data, we may click the Cut button. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-X. To redo our last action, we may click Redo button. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-Y. To undo our last action, we may click Undo button. But the quickest way may be use the shortcut Ctrl-Z. Do you know how to use Excel? This may be a very common question, and most people's answer may be like this. Microsoft Office Specialist Excel is 100% based on the syllabus from Microsoft. In addition to the fundamental knowledge, you will also learn different skills of Excel, just like how to apply beautiful and professional templates, handle external data, search different data in Excel, handle hyperlink, set pre-addressed email, apply beautiful themes, manage shortcuts, arrange windows in different ways, apply different series, create custom fields, apply cell formats and styles, format cells based on content, insert sparklines, outline data and insert subtotals, create table from cell range, configure table style, remove duplicate entries, use functions to solve different problems, create professional charts, change the type of chart, format text box and shape, apply style to picture, format a picture, and how to arrange pictures. Currently, this course is being sold in 48 countries. Let's see what the students say. This course is really for you. What are you waiting for? Let's start it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Subscribe and tap the bell, and you won't miss any new videos. Any questions or new topics you want, please leave your comments below. If you are interested in my course, you may click the link below.